Hi everyone, it's Kim with Memories Cast Love. Remember, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button below and tap the bell for notifications. And once we have 100 subscribers, we will have a Dollar Tree giveaway. This video is of my gaming series videos. I'm posting one every day over the summer, or I'm hoping to post one every day. These are some of the games that I'll be playing at my many parties, 4th of July, summer, beach. So it'll be a mix of all those. Each day I will have a new one. The game today is of a golfing game. And everything I got at the Dollar Tree, I picked up 4 of these hula hoops. Any color will do. There's different sizes. If you want to make it a little harder, you can get the smaller ones. These are the larger ones. Also pick up one of the sets. There's a sand wedge and I guess a regular, like an iron. You'll have to pick up 2 of them. They come with 2 balls. I also picked up the golf balls. This is an 8-pack. I'm also using the baseball plates, the foam plates, for where they have to stand to hit the balls. Okay, all I'm going to do is throughout the yard place one of the hula hoops and then go so many steps back, place one of these. This says first base, but I'm going to put it so the white side's up, and then a couple balls and also a golf club. So at each area, they will get 2 balls for 2 tries. They just get a point for each one that they get in. Then they'll move to the next area, have 2 balls, try and put in, and the same for all 4 places. It is a lot harder than what it looks. So some of them maybe try and have close, and then some have far away, and that way you can have a chance. If maybe all you do is hit them close, then at least at that one you might have a chance to get them in. Now, this one is a lot harder to hit the ball out of the grass with. So if you'd want to set up a tee at each area, and that way they can place the ball on it to kind of give it a little bit of lift to try and get it in the hula hoop. Maybe you have younger kids. So with just hitting it off the grass with this one, it is really tough. This one, not so much. Or you could buy 4 packages of this and then have all sand wedges. But I'm going to have both, and I'm going to do the tee on some areas. The 3 balls will be hit with the sand wedge, and 3 balls will be hit from the tee with this golf club. So with buying the 4 hula hoops, 2 sets of the clubs with the balls, the set of the 8 extra balls, and the baseball plates, the cost is $8. You wouldn't have to have as many hula hoops if you didn't want to. There are 2 balls that come with each of these, so you might not want to have the extra set of balls and just have 1 ball at each hula hoop. Instead of the baseball plates, you could use like paper plates or something like that if it's not too windy of a day, just as long as it's something that won't blow away. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this game, and I will be posting another game tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and we'll see